Welcome back to the class. So in this class now we're solving another question, which we are given that y equals to 1 over x, and we have to solve with using first principle. So now let's see how to solve this now. Now we have y equals to 1 over x. y equals to 1 over x. So now we have change in y plus delta y equals to 1 over x plus delta x plus delta x. So the next thing is for me to transfer y to the other side. We have delta y equals to 1 over x plus delta x minus 1. So we have, but y is given as 1 over x. So we have delta y equals to 1 over x plus delta x minus 1 over x. So the next thing is I find the LCM. We have delta y equals to the LCM. Now we have this in this, we have in x, that will be x minus the bracket x plus delta x over x into bracket x plus delta x. So we have delta y equals to x minus x plus, I should expand the bracket, minus x plus, it's now a minus, not minus times plus will be what? Minus. We have minus delta x over x squared plus x delta x. So my x will cancel minus x. We have in delta y equals to minus delta x over x squared plus x delta x. So now the next thing is just for us to divide through with our delta x. So we have divide through by delta x. So when you divide this by delta x, we have delta y over delta x equals to minus delta x over x squared plus x delta x divided by delta x. So then we divide our delta x, we cancel delta x, have delta y over what? Delta x equals to minus 1 over x squared plus x delta x in brackets. So now in answer that, as delta x tends to 0, delta x tends to 0, the y, delta y over delta x equals to dy over the x. So we have dy over the x equals to minus 1 over x squared plus x into brackets 0. So we have the y over the x now equals to minus 1 over x squared plus what? X times 0 is what? 0. So we have the y over the x now equals to minus 1 over x squared. So, which I can change to index form, the y over the x equals to x is power minus 2. So, this is how to differentiate for y equals to 1 over x using what? The first principle. Y over x using the what? First principle. So, using the y, if we have to differentiate this with normal differentiation, we are having y equals to 1 over x. So I can change this to x power minus 1. So the y, which is our reduction in power, this minus 1 will come here. I'm having x power minus 1 minus 1, which is the y over the x equals to minus 1 x power minus 2. This is power minus 2. So, which is equivalent to what we got. So you're having, don't forget that it's minus there. Omit minus, we're having minus there. Which is what? Minus is minus. You can separate this as minus 1 times 1 over x squared. Minus 1, which is minus 1 times 1 will give us 1, and with the minus we are having minus. So 1 over x squared. So we change this to index form, we have what? X is power. This is now minus 1 times x is power minus 2. This alone is x is power minus 2. So we combine the two, we have minus x is power minus x is power minus 2. So which is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be looking at another part of calculus. See you next class.